Okay, next up, another kind of quick one, but surprisingly might require a bit more thought than you would think from a problem this uh, short. Car slows down from a speed of 25 meters per second to rest in 5 seconds. How far did it travel in that time? So first we list what we know. Final speed is 0 because it ended at rest. A lot of times if you see the word rest in there, that means that there's a little bit of information, so be aware of that. Initial velocity is 25 meters per second. Time is 5. We want to know delta x, how far it went in that time, but acceleration is also missing. So in this case, there are two things that we don't know. Might be some extra steps. So the first method is we can determine the acceleration, since acceleration is change in velocity divided by time. Your change in velocity was negative 25. You went from 25 meters per second to 0. So you slowed down. Your acceleration was negative 5 meters per second per second. Don't make that slip up or it'll give you the wrong answer. So negative 5 is your value for A. Now that we have A, we've got everything we need to solve for delta x for an object that's accelerating. You just use this formula. It's the one that's not going to go away. We're going to use it a lot in this class. Delta x equals 1 half at squared plus vit. Know it, love it. It's a really important formula for an object at constant acceleration. All right, and now I'm just tossing in the numbers for a and t. So 1 half of a is negative 2.5, t squared is 25, and then plus 25 times the time, which is 5. Toss all that stuff in, you get minus 62.5. Add it up, the car went 62.5 meters over that time interval. So not too complicated, but there's another method that would allow you to do this in your head and kind of look like a wizard in class if you want to. And that's using a nice little trick, which is average velocity. So average velocity is in this it's total distance divided by total time. Um, but in this case, if you think about it, you started out going 25 and you finished at 0, so your velocity was changing the entire time. Well, on the average over this time interval, you are going 12.5 meters per second. Do you see why? If you started out at 25 and finished at 0, then your average velocity would be in the middle. And that gives us a really nice cheat because average velocity times the time gives you the distance that you traveled, delta x or d or however you want it. So in this case, 12.5 times 5 gives you the same answer, only you look like a whiz kid because you could do it in your head as opposed to having a long drawn out solution. So keep that in mind that average velocity can be a wonderful shortcut that can save you from sometimes even having to do a quadratic formula.